Hi, it's Ulianka, and today I'm going to show you my collection of PXP paints. I have 16 different colors and we are going to go through them today. Before we start, please like, subscribe and click the bell button to know when I post. I make a variety of time lapses, makeup tutorials and product reviews. So if that's what you enjoy, this is the channel for you. To make it easier for myself, I split these paints into two different groups. So in this group there are going to be blue and pinky purple tones. I'm going to apply each paint with a flat brush, then with a sponge and then with a round brush on my arm. These four colors are so amazing. They are opaque, they are strong, and they are very easily applicable. I must say that I like them all. It is just I have a special love for blues and yellows, so it is not a normal that I'm so excited about these blue colors. But let us now try warmer colors. And from what I can see right now, the colors are reflecting the same color as in the box. They are not translucent, they're very opaque, they're easily applicable. So I really enjoy having and using these paints. I love this deep dark green as well as this bright grass yellow. And obviously I love these yellow colors. Somehow I tend to use quite a lot very light yellow color, especially in split cakes. I quite often make split cakes or one strokes myself, and I use the lightest yellow very often. But I do like both next yellows, and they're great for filling out the color of the character, for example Minions or Princess's hair. So I think I'm using the light yellow for split cakes with darker colors. So for example light yellow and then red, for example. And then for darker yellows I would put them together with white color to make a nice one stroke to use for hair. This red is, I would say it's not like a regular red. It's like Pompeii red, if you know what I mean. It is like, it has orange tint to it. It's like an old brick. A very beautiful color to have. It's something like between red and orange. I would like to have another red without this orange tint, but I still want to keep this one. There is a photo at the end of this video with all of the numbers and names for all of these colors. So you can either save the video to your favorites or just to take a screenshot if you like any of these colors and would like to buy them at some point. If you don't like to outline with black, I think this brown, the green, the darkest green and the darkest blue are amazing for outlining as well. This is what I like to do if I'm bored with black. I do like to outline, so these are the colors that I would go to. Okay, this is my swatches completed. I hope you enjoyed this video and you find it useful. You can save this video to your favorites or take a screenshot. Here are the names and the numbers for each color. Please remember to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye! If you are on Instagram, pop into one of my accounts and say hello. I do arts and crafts, face painting, creative makeup and healthy food and travel. I hope to see you there!